How to create ChatGPT account in iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. At the top you can see this search bar. Type in there chat.openai.com. Now this kind of page will appear. Welcome to ChatGPT. Login with your OpenAI account to continue. Tap on this option sign up. Now here you have to enter your email address, or also you can continue with Google or Microsoft account to create your ChatGPT account. Here I'm gonna directly enter my email address. After you are done, tap on this square box, I'm not a robot, and then tap on continue. Now here you have to generate password for your account. After you are done, tap on continue. Now you have to verify your email. Just close this and open your Gmail. Here I go. At the top you can see that OpenAI has sent me the email. Just open that email and then tap on this option verify email address. Email verified. Now close it and open that browser again. Now just refresh this page. Now here you have to enter your first name and then last name. Tap on continue. Now enter a phone number and then tap on send code. You will receive code in your phone number that you have just entered. You can see that I have received it. I'm gonna put that. Here you can see that my account has been created. In this way you can easily create ChatGPT account in iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.